Welcome to 3D Tribe's step-by-step tutorial on sublimating keychains. Today, we will show you how to create custom keychains using the sublimation process. First, gather your supplies: sublimation keychains, sublimation printer, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, heat press, and your design. Print your design onto sublimation paper using a sublimation printer. Remember to mirror your design before printing. Place your sublimation keychain on top of your design, making sure it is centered. Secure it in place with heat-resistant tape. Preheat your heat press to the recommended temperature for sublimation. Place your design and keychain in the heat press, making sure the design is facing the keychain. Close the heat press and apply pressure for the specified time. Once the time is up, carefully remove the keychain from the heat press and let it cool. Peel off the sublimation paper to reveal your custom keychain design. And there you have it, your very own personalized sublimated keychain. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tutorials.